Hi everyone, my name is Jess and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make this high-weighted pants from scratch. The material I use is loose linen. First step, I'm drawing a horizontal line right next to the edge of the fabric after folding it in half. Then from the top, I go down 64 cm within my belly side, so that the width of the leg will be 64 cm. If you want a bigger leg, you just go down longer. For the length of the pants, I mark at 110 cm, which is the length from my belly to over my ankle, plus 6 cm. You can make it longer or shorter if you want. Then cutting by the drawing line. At one side of the rectangle, I'm drawing a line at 5 cm inside of the edge. After that, I make a mark at 34 cm, which is the width from my belly button to over the cross, plus 4 cm. Then drawing an arc line from that mark to connect to the line that I just drew inside it. And we have the front of the pants. For the back of the pants, at another side, I do quite similar to the front. However, the line will be inside 8 cm from the edge of the rectangle. Then cutting by the drawing line. After that, I'm overlocking to protect my cutting by using the zigzag stitching and the fake overlocking pressure foot. Then I connect two rectangles together at the arc line by the bins and sewing. Now I'm connecting two legs together. I start at the crochet first, then going along two legs later, then sewing. To the top of the pants, I use the elastic pants with 3 cm width to create the waistband. I measure the width of the fabric to fold in first and mark there, then drawing a line at that mark later. Usually, the width of the fabric will be double the width of the elastic band plus 2 cm. After that, I fold the top of the pants to inside at the drawing line. I use the bins to hold them together before sewing. Don't forget to keep a small unsewed space at the back of the pant to put the elastic pant inside later. At the front pants, from the middle, I go to the left 16 cm and mark there, and doing the same for the right. So the width between two marks will be 32 cm, which is a half of my belly size. Now I'm putting the elastic pant inside the fabric. I use 2 safety pins to do it. One safety pin to keep one end of the elastic pant outside. The other one for the other end of the elastic band to go through inside. However, after that, at the front pants, I'm loosening the elastic band to the normal to make the flat waistband for the front. Then I make a seam at the mark that I made before to keep the elastic band stay there. Now at the back of the pants, I'm sewing two ends of the elastic band together, then closing the hole to finish the waistband. Last step is finishing the end of the leg. I fold the end fabric of the leg to inside and use the bins to hold it, then sewing. And we finished this DIY. Here is my final result. This pant is very easy to make and it's not too loose or too tight to your body. But it can bring the feeling that your leg is longer than normal. So it's a perfect pant to make you look taller. I hope you enjoyed this DIY and subscribe to my channel to watch my other DIY. See you next week.